100 ways to earn money online. 1. YouTube. 2. Blogging. 3. Content writing. 4. App development. 5. Web development. 6. Vlogging. 7. Data entry. 8. Online tutoring. 9. Gaming. 10. Affiliate marketing. 11. Video editing. 12. Social media marketing. 13. Freelancing. 14. Consulting. 15. Investing in stocks. 16. Amazon KDP. 17. Day trading. 18. App business. 19. Forex trading. 20. Stock analyst. 21. Instagram page. 22. Online courses. 23. Airbnb. 24. Crypto trader. 25. Data entry. 26. Royalty photography. 27. Royalty videography. 28. NFT. 29. Web business. 30. E-commerce. 31. Online course. 32. YouTube marketing. 33. Cartoons. 34. Cartoon Channel. 35. SEO. 36. Content marketing. 37. Audiobook. 38. Voice-over artist. 38. Digital products sell. 39. Online animator. 40. Animation channel. 41. YouTube thumbnail designer. 42. T-shirt designing. 44. SEM. 45. Photo editing. 46. Script writing. 47. Ghost writing. 48. Freelancer interior designer. 49. Camera renting. 50. Influencer. 51. Camera renting. 52. Influencer. 53. Sponsorship. 54. Influencer marketing. 55. Podcast. 56. Online games. 57. Car renting. 58. Translation job. 59. Online typing job. 60. Refer and earn. 61. Cashback. 62. Reselling. 63. Online webinar. 64. Graphic designing. 65. Graphic designing tutor. 66. VFX tutor. 67. VFX artist. 68. Book cover designer. 69. Book cover designing app. 70. Business card designer. 71. Business card designing app. 72. Facebook page. 73. Install and earn. 74. App development startup. 75. Web development startup. 76. Digital marketing tutoring. 77. Digital marketing startup. 78. Script writing. 79. Ghost writing. 80. Online webinar. 81. Finance consulting. 82. Freelancer business consultant. 83. Freelancer investment analyst. 84. Tax consultant. 85. Quora. 86. Old book selling. 87. Online quiz. 88. Online competition participation. 89. Programming tutor. 90. Communication tutor. 91. Travel vlogger. 92. Online RJ. 93. Startup analyst. 94. Freelancer interior car designer. 95. YouTube shorts. 96. Facebook marketing. 97. Instagram marketing. 98. Commodity trading. 99. IPO. 100. Dividend. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.